This video provides comprehensive instructions for assembling the Stutey adjustable lathe stand. Designed specifically for the Stutey 3040 lathe, the stand is made up of 6 precision engineered components fabricated from 3mm thick galvanized steel. Each piece features laser cut slots and holes that enable flexible height adjustment and fine tuning to accommodate different user preferences and workspace conditions. The Stutey adjustable lathe stand is engineered for strength, stability and ergonomic operation. Proper assembly and adjustment are essential for safe and efficient use of your lathe. The first and most important step is to determine the height at which your lathe should be positioned for comfortable and safe operation. This height is based on a distance from the floor to the bottom of your elbow when you are standing upright with your arms relaxed at your side. Working with your lathe at the correct height reduces fatigue and increases precision, allowing you to work safely and efficiently over extended periods. To assemble the legs, measure from the bottom of the lower leg section the calculated measurement. Make a clear mark. This will align with the bottom edge of the upper leg section when joined. Align the two sections at your marked point. Find 2 clear holes that line up through both sections and insert the bolts. Tighten securely. Repeat this process for the other leg. The legs have approximately 8mm of additional sideways adjustment range, which will be helpful if your workshop floor is uneven. With both legs prepared, it's time to connect them to the top section of the stand. Place the legs at each end of the stand top section. Align them using the pre-cut slots and holes provided. Tighten bolts securely, but avoid over-tightening, which could cause distortion in the steel parts. Once the legs are attached and the stand is upright, it's time to level it. Place a spirit level on the top of the stand. Adjust the leg height by moving the lower leg section up or down as necessary. Once the stand top is level, insert additional bolts through the best available holes or slots to lock in a position. We suggest a minimum of 6 bolts per leg section to provide a rigid and stable setup. The variety of slots and holes in the stand components allows for height adjustments, for fine-tuning on uneven floors, and custom configurations which cater to personal working styles and preferences. This design ensures the stand can be tailored to meet the specific requirements of different users and workshops. Your adjustable lathe stand is complete and ready for the installation of your Stutey 3040 lathe.